To create this design, I'm going to add a cylinder with 32 words, then S, Shift Z and scale it along the Z axis. Control A, apply the scale. Then Shift A, mesh and add a rounded cube. And the arc count should be 2. Then scale down this. Then move it along the Y axis in this way. Just try to align the words. Then scale it down like this. Select the cylinder, go to the edit mode, select this top face, Ctrl B and add bevel on it. Then select this rounded cube, go to the edit mode, select the center edge loop and then Ctrl B, add bevel on it. Select these words and move them along the Z axis like this. Select these faces and X to delete them. Select this edge loop and press F to fill the gap. Then select these two objects and Shift Q, use the Boolean operation union. Then go to the modifier, apply the Boolean modifier and delete this cutter object. Then go to the edit mode, use the knife tool and C and X, create a cut along the X axis like this. Same thing at the bottom side also. Turn on the X-ray mode, select this word C and X, create a cut like this. Then select these words and merge at last like this. Select this word, merge at last. Merge this word at the center. Select these words, merge at last. Dissolve this word. Then select these faces. Then select these faces and X and delete them. Then select everything, mesh and symmetrize, take the symmetry. Then select everything, press M and merge by distance. Select this top face and delete it. Use the knife tool and create cut like this, C and X. Here also C and X. Then select this face loop, select these faces and press P to make a separate object. Hide this object, select this object, go to the edit mode, select everything, change the transform pivot point to 3D cursor and Shift D to duplicate it and rotate it into 45-degree angle and complete this cylindrical form. Select everything and then press M and merge by distance. So double words will get merged. Select this H loop and press F to fill the gap. And then use the insert operation like this. Select these words and press J to connect them. Select these words, merge at the center. Select these edges and Ctrl X to dissolve them. Then go to the select and select sharp edges. Increase the threshold and it will select only the sharper edges. And then Ctrl V and add bevel on it. Add a 2-segment bevel and shape factor should be 1. And here we are facing difficulty with the bevel. Uncheck this loop slide option in this way. We need to select this edges also so we can get a proper bevel at there. Then press the Ctrl D and add bevel on it. And now we are getting this kind of bevel here. Select these words and merge at the center. Select this circle, right click, use the loop tool circle option. Use the insert operation, delete this face, select this edge loop and face grid fill. Adjust the offset. Select this edge loop and press F to fill the gap. Use the insert operation and then E to extrude along the Z axis and add bevel on it. Then select this edge loops and Ctrl V, add bevel on them. Add a 2-segment bevel. Select this face, use the insert operation and delete this face. Select this edge loop, face and grid fill. And then hit Ctrl 2 to add the subdivision modifier and shade smooth it. Now we need to add few more loop cuts here. Go to the edit mode and add a bunch of loop cuts here. I'm going to add 3 loop cuts. Select this edge loop, dissolve them. Select this edge loop, Ctrl B and add bevel on them. Shape factor should be 0.5 and add a 4-segment bevel like this. And then shade smooth it. In this way you can create this kind of design. You can see the topology and you can see the form. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you like this tutorial, then hit that like button and subscribe our YouTube channel. Bye bye. See you next video. Take care.